This long-term seed kit from Heaven's Harvest provides a very large assortment of heirloom vegetable varieties suitable for both survival planning and serious homesteading. All seeds are non-genetically modified, open-pollinated types, so you can save seed from your harvest and replant future generations without relying on outside suppliers. The individual varieties are packed in thick Mylar bags that block water, light, and pests, which makes the collection practical for extended storage when kept in a cool, dry place. With enough seed to establish a garden area measured in acres, the kit offers strong value for anyone wanting a substantial, calorie-focused food garden rather than a small hobby patch. The included mix covers a wide range of crops from leafy greens and roots to beans, squash, and melons, giving you good nutritional diversity and flexibility in meal planning. Gardeners who like to plan ahead will appreciate that the kit is designed for multi-year use, with resealable packets and a planning guide that makes staggered planting and rotation much easier.